how to add new tasks to the Prism AI app. So first go ahead and open the app. Then after a few moments, your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen, but simply tap on the plus icon right here next to Prism's daily focus. After you tap on it, you'll see two options on your screen which you have to fill. One is title and another is description, which is optional. So let's say for title, I'll write walking and I'll write hello just to show you guys how it works. Then you can also enable or disable is this a habit mode or question right below. And after you're done filling, simply tap on the save option right here. After you tap on save, you can now see your new daily focus on your home screen. And these are some easy few steps in order to add a new daily focus on your Prism AI app. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.